Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at problem 41 from chapter 20 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. We need to find the power supplied to the starter motor of a large truck. The truck draws 250 amps of current from a 24-volt battery hookup. Let's start with what we know. Okay, we know the current I is 250 amps. We know the voltage V or delta V. A lot of times we'll just use V instead of delta V. But that is 24.0 volts. Okay, and we need to find the power. We can use power is current times voltage. So we've got 250 amps times 24.0 volts. This is 6,000 watts. And to make the sig figs clear, we can use 6.00 times 10 cubed watts. So that is the power supplied. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any other questions or if there's other problems you'd like to see me solve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.